Hello friends. So in this video, I have brought the LPT mock test for all the students, those who have selected for RBI office attendant exam from all over the India. So I am making this video in English in order to just communicate from all the candidates, those who have selected from all over the India, from Assam to Gujarat, from Kashmir to South India. So this video is for every candidate who is preparing for the upcoming LPT exam of RBI office attendant. So let's begin this video. So in this video, the mock test will be for the following languages: Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Assamese, Bengali, and Oriya or Odia language. So let's begin this video. So now the unseen passage, there is an unseen passage for every language. So starting from the Marathi language, so I expect that you all are sitting with a pen and a copy so that you can improve your language proficiency. So let's begin. So now the all the students from the Marathi language are expected to write the answers of the following questions. So it is from the passage only, so you have to write this one in your copy. So there are 4 questions, so all these 4 questions you have to write it. And there is also an essay writing topic, so you have to write essay in any of these two of the given on these two of the given topics. So 250 words essay will be sufficient, so you have to write this for your preparation. So now the passage will begin for all the students, those who have to give their LPT in Gujarati language. So let's start this one. So I expect that all the Gujarati students must have read the passage. Now you have to just read the following questions. It is based on the passage, and you have to answer them. So in the passage there were a few words like generation. So it's not my fault. It's from the software which has translated the language. So I expect that you will not see from a narrow mind. I respect all languages, so it's not my fault. It's from the concerned software. So you should not pay attention on it. So now you can start writing your answers. So there are 4 questions. You have to answer them all, and in addition to it, there is also I have arranged a essay writing for you. So you have to write essay on any of these two topics. You have to write on only one. So I expect that you will write it. So it's all over for the Gujarati students. So now the students, all those who will give in their LPT in the Kannada language should read the upcoming passage and answer the questions after it. So your passage starts now. So now the passage is over for the Kannada language students, and now they have to answer the following four questions, which belongs to the above passage. So you have to write it, and also you have to write 250 words essay on one of the following two topics. So you have to write the essay also, and you have to answer that questions also. So after this, it's all for the Kannada students. Now the students from Oriya language have to read the following passage and also answer the questions which is after the passage. So your passage starts now. So these four questions from the passage are for the Odia students. Again, I will apologize for if there were some of the language errors. So it's not my fault. It's from the software from which I have translated. So please don't take it seriously and focus on the positive points. So you have to answer these questions in your Odia or Odia language. So and in addition to it, you also have to write an essay of about 250 words in one of the following topics. So there are two topics given. So you have to write on any of the one. So you can start writing now. Now the upcoming passage will be for the Telugu students. So after that, you have to write the answers of the questions which will be asked. So your passage begins now. So now the passage ends for the Telugu students. Now they have to write answer the following questions. So there are four questions. These are one and two and three and four. So you have to write the answers, and also you have to write a essay uh, on the following topic, on any one of the following topic in about 250 words. So it's all for the Telugu students. Thank you very much. Now let's move to the next language. So the next language is Tamil. Now the passage will start for the Tamil students. So you all have to read very carefully. So now the passage begins. So now the passage ends for the Tamil students. So these are the questions from the passage. So now you can write it. So there are four questions: one, two, three, and four. So you have to answer them from the passage, and in addition to it, you have to write an essay on any one of this topic. So it's all for the Tamil students. Thank you very much. Now let's move to the another language. So next passage is in Bengali language. So now the Bengali students can read it and answer the questions in their respective language. So the passage starts now. So now the passage ends for the Bengali students. Now they have to answer the following questions. It is based on the above passage. So you have to answer it. So there are four questions, and in addition to it, there is a you have to write up an essay also in about 250 words on any one of the following topics. So it's all for the Bengali students. Thank you very much. So let's move to the next language. So now the next is the Malayalam language. All the Malayali speaking students have to read it and answer in their respective language. So now the passage begins. So now the passage ends for the Malayali students. Now they have to answer the following questions. So there are four questions, and in addition to it, there is a passage also. So you have to write the answer for all the four, and you have to write the essay also. So it's all for the Malayali students. Now let's move to the next language. So the last and next language is Assamese. So now the Assamese students have to read the passage and answer the questions which will be written at the bottom of the passage. So Now you have to read it carefully. Now the passage begins now. So now the passage is over for the Assamese speaking students. Now they have to answer the following 5 questions in their language, and also they have to write it. So you all have to answer all these 5 and you can also write an essay on the topics I am giving to you. So your first topic is, so the first topic is on which you have to write essay is that increasing pressure on youths, and the second topic on which you have to write is the continuing struggle on superstitions. So these are the 2 topic. First is increasing pressure on youths, and second one is the continuing struggle on superstitions. So you have to write only one essay on any of these 2 topics. You can select on your own in about 250 words. So finally, I should add that if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please do it for more mocks. And please tell me in the comment box that do you find it valuable enough, or is it important for you or not? So please tell me in the comment box below, and please like the session if you find it good enough, and share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.